Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve the Virtual Labs. The objective of this simulation is to determine the pH value of given solution using pH meter. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. Click on the description to understand the terminologies. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, click on this arrow shown below. Now, let us select the sample for this experiment. Let me select sewage water. Click on the sewage water. Calibration of pH meter. Click on the distilled water to clean the electrode. Now dry the electrode using the tissue. Select the correct answer for this pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click on the buffer solution and then switch on the pH meter. Now click on the electrodes to insert it into the buffer solution. Select the correct answer in this pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click on the distilled water to clean the electrodes and dry the electrodes using the tissue paper. Click on the correct answer for this pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click here to place the buffer solution in its position. Click on the electrodes to insert it into the buffer solution. Determine the pH value of the sample. Click on the distilled water to clean the electrodes. Dry the electrodes using the tissue paper. Select the correct answer for this pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click on the selected sample, that is sewage water, to place it in its position. Now click on the electrodes to dip it in the sewage water. Note down the pH value of sewage water, which is 5.3. Click on the correct answer to proceed to the next step. This is the inference for this experiment.